afternoon student, this is the class for 9th standard, subject social and topic name is civics 6th lesson, road safety. Okay, we already know this. Okay, from 6th standard to last 10th standard, there will be a lesson on the topic of road safety. Okay, what are the safety rules we have to follow while we are working on driving on the road. Okay, so first introduction part we have to know about what is accident. Okay, accident refers any incident, any accident involved in a leased vehicle occurs on the roads open to public transport of a person injured or killed. Okay, so any person, okay, any accident because ride by any vehicle on the roads, okay, on the road by any transport public on the open public transport, if any person got injured or killed, okay, that is known as an accident. Okay, so intentional act means like a murder, suicide and natural disaster. Okay, natural disaster excluded from road accident. Okay, that is not considered as a road accident, they are telling. Okay, so because of road accident many people died. Okay, so estimated that 1.2 million people killed in the road crashes in each year. Okay, because of road accident, okay, 1.2 million people, okay, they got there, they not had any life, okay, in the road crashes in each year they are telling. And also 50 million people got injured, okay, because of the road accident. So we have to know about what is meant by accident and also what is the reason. Okay, next topic we are going to learn about what is the reason for that road accident. Okay, next 1,30,000 deaths annually India has worst road accident. Okay, so because of the road accident annually 1,30,000 people died. Okay, in India only happening this is, okay, they are telling. Next, major reasons of the road accident. Okay, the most important reasons for road accident. First, negligence in driving. Okay, negligence means carelessness. Okay, கவனக்குறைவினால என்னென்ன road accidents நடக்குது. Okay, reasons for road accident. First one is drunken drive. Okay, while driving, many people drunk means that is also lead to road accident. Next one is overlooking the other vehicles. Okay, while they are driving any vehicles, 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler, okay, they are attracted by others. Okay, that is also lead to road accident. Okay, so in drunken drive there will be two reasons. First one is high speed. Okay, while they drunk they will drive the vehicle with a high speed. That is also leads to road accident. Next, improper training. Okay, many people not yet got any kind of proper training. That is also leads to road accident. Next one is in overlooking the other vehicles, there will be one. Okay, non-stop long driving. Okay, when they are driving 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler. Okay, if long time they are driving also, that is also leads to road accident. Okay, next is every 3 minutes a child is killed in an accident in the world. Okay, because of the road accident every 3 minutes the child is killed. Okay, next one is main causes of the death by road accident. What is the reason, what is the main causes for the road accident, which leads to road accident? First one is drunken drive. Okay, so 40% road accident happening only by the drunken drive. Okay, next is speeding. So 24% because of over speeding. Okay, that leads to road accident. Next, car is nothing but the car sounds. Okay, because of car sounds 60% of the road accident are happen. Next one is inefficient law enforcement, 15%. Okay, because of not following the rules of the road. Okay, but that is also leads to road accident. Next, less use of helmet and seat belt. Okay, 5%. Okay, not wearing the seat belt properly and also not using the helmet. This also leads to road accident. Next, second one is distraction to driver. Okay, so while driving 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler, okay, anything the driver is will be distracted by anyone mean that is also lead to road accident. Next, red light jumping. Okay, when the signals are they showed me they not properly followed me, that is also lead to road accident. Next, overtaking in a wrong manner. Okay, so in order to fastly we have to go, in order to we have to follow the not following the rules, and also taking overtaking means in order to முந்திக்கிட்டு இன்னொருத்தவங்களை ஃபாலோ பண்ணி வேகமாக போகணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிற ஒரு ஹை ஸ்பீடில் போய் என்ன பண்ணுறது, ராங் மேனரில் ஓவர்டேக் பண்ணுறது. தட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ லீட்ஸ் டு ரோட் ஆக்சிடென்ட். தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்.